Okay, so today we're going to continue working on evaluating expressions, and we're just about to a quiz. So we need to make sure that we're good to go on order of operations and knowing what GEMS means and knowing what an expression is and how to evaluate them. So to kind of get our head wrapped around order of operations again this morning, I want you to hit pause and try to figure out this puzzle. Okay, try to figure out this puzzle. Your goal is to use the order of operations and place these numbers 4, 2, 8, 3, 5. You can only use them once in each of these boxes. Okay, in each of these boxes. So 6 times something minus 7 is going to equal 11. 6 times something minus 7 is going to equal 11. So again, these numbers only work once. So go ahead and hit pause and see if you can figure out which number goes in which box. Okay, let's see if you got it right. So the 4 should have been on top. 9 minus 4 plus 1. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 7 is 11. And obviously, if they work horizontally, they're going to work up and down. So 1 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 9 plus 8 is 17. Minus 6 is going to give me 11. So if those are the numbers you got, good job. Okay, I want you to hit pause. And I want you to evaluate these expressions, okay? Evaluate these expressions. And it's fine if you want to use your calculator to help you, but remember to put parentheses in, okay? Every place there's a variable. Put parentheses in every place there is a variable. All right, so 6 plus. There's a parenthesis and a power. A parenthesis, another parenthesis, divided by 2. All right, so this is a 6, and this is a 4. So where am I starting? So I am inside my parentheses. I'm going to start right here. So 6 squared is 36. So 6 plus 36, and I'm going to minus my 4. So 6 plus 36 is 42. 42 minus 4 is going to give me 48. So this whole thing became 48. Divided by 2 is going to give me 24. All right, see what you can do with this one. Okay, so in this first spot, that's a Y, so that's a 2. And then I come across an X, which is a 3, and then I come across a Y again, which is a 2. Okay? All right, so innermost parentheses, I have 4 minus 3 minus 2 divided by 2. Well, am I going to subtract first? Am I going to take 4 minus 3 and get 1? And then 1 minus 2 to get negative 3 and then divide by 2? No, I am not. I am starting right here. So negative 2, keep the sign with the number. So negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. And the rest of the stuff is going to drop. So 4 minus 3. Okay, so now I'm just adding and subtracting. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So now I have 2 minus 0, which is going to give me 2. So if you came up with 24 and 2, you are a rock star. Okay, so let's refresh ourselves in terms of perimeter. So if we're talking about perimeter, so if this is a box, this is 5, this is 4, this is 5, this is 4. Perimeter is around the box, okay? Perimeter means walking around the box, which means I am adding. Okay, I am adding. So this one says evaluate the perimeter when x is 3. So since I have to walk around this entire thing, I probably better figure out how far each piece is. So let's start over here. It says x. Well, we know that's 3. Okay, because this x is 3. So let's substitute here. This is 2 times x, which is 2 times 3. Well, that's going to make that a 6. And then this one is 2x minus 1. Well, 2 times 3 minus 1, that's going to give me 5. So if I need perimeter, let's say I start right here. I'm walking this way. I'm adding 5 plus 3 plus 6. So that's 8 plus 6, which is going to give me 14. So it's 14 units around my triangle. Okay, hit pause and see if you can do the next one. Okay, let's see how you did. Remember, x is 3, so 3 plus 1 is going to give me 4. So this one is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So that's 5. And 3 times 3 minus 1 is going to give me 8. So I have 4 plus 5 plus 8, which is going to give me 17. Okay, the weight of the cardinal in ounces is 0.6x plus 11 after it eats x ounces of birdseed. How much does it weigh after it eats 2 ounces of birdseed? Well, this is saying let x equal 2. So if I take my equation, I'm going to replace the 2 and the x. So 0.6 times 2, 0.6. Let me go back there. 0.6 times 2 is 1.2. So 1.2 plus 11 is going to give me 12.2, and we're measuring in ounces. So 12.2 ounces. All right, you're ready to continue to work on evaluating expressions. So remember, you have a quiz coming up, so if you have any last minute questions or you're struggling, make sure you're getting with us so we can get you lined out and you're ready to ace your quiz. Have a good rest of the day.